Hi again, kids. It's Mrs. Fravel. Still fine. How are you? Good. Hey, I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do the organizational levels foldable activity. So this is where I left off in the last video. You should have found yourself a piece of paper. It can be plain white, it can be lined, it can be colored, it doesn't matter, okay? It just needs to be a blank piece of paper that you can work with. Okay. We are going to be creating the levels of organization in the biosphere using this paper. So first thing you need to do is on one side of the paper, you need to write the word biosphere, and then you're going to add an illustration. What does the biosphere look like? Draw the planet. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you are going to fold the piece of paper that says biome or biosphere in half, short end to short end, okay? And on that, you are going to write biome/ecosystem, and then you are going to choose one of the biomes or ecosystems that I talked about back in the other videos. So these are some examples of ecosystems or biomes you can use. You can use coral reef, or you can use the whole open ocean. You can use a tropical deciduous forest, that's the rainforest. You can use a temperate deciduous forest or the taiga, the desert, tundra, chaparral, which by the way, Utah is split up. We have small pockets of desert. We also have small pockets of chaparral. That's what your house is probably located on. We also have alpine environments or ecosystems. So if you want to choose a local one, you're welcome to do that as well. And then of course, savannas or grasslands, okay? So make an illustration of one of these on the first folded part, okay? Then you're going to fold that in half as well with that inside, okay? And the next level is community. So you're going to illustrate for me one community within that ecosystem that you chose. There we go, okay? So illustrate the community within your ecosystem or biome. For example, if I did a coral reef, I would choose to illustrate maybe all of the fish, schools of fish swimming around corals, okay? Because those are going to be two separate populations in the community. I might also draw some algae or some kelp in the water, okay, some plant life, okay? Remember, you need to do more than one kind of organism to represent your community. Then you're going to, again, fold it, and the next level is going to be population, okay? So you're going to choose one of the populations that you illustrated in your community. So I might choose, I really like corals, so I might choose to draw a whole rock covered with corals. Yours is going to be simpler than that, but you could draw just multiples, like more than one or individual, and illustrate your population within your community that you chose, okay? And then the last one, you're going to fold. Again, remember, you're always folding short side to short side on these. Your last one's going to be your individual organism. So here's where I would draw. Here's where I would draw one single coral or one single fish, okay? There we go. And that's it. Make sure that, here's the fun part, each step you did, you need to take pictures of it, because you're not going to turn the paper into me because there's nowhere to turn the paper to me. I'm in my office. So what you'll need to do is you need to take pictures of each of those as you fold it in and upload those. Save them on either a Google Doc or in Google Slides. Show me a picture of each step that you did with your illustration so that I know that you got it, okay? And then last part, you're going to tell me about it. You're going to summarize your understanding of the levels of organization in that ecosystem. That is on a discussion in the modules. It's also going to be on the instruction page. And I want you to explain it and describe it and summarize it in complete sentences. Don't just say biome, community, da 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 da. You need to explain it to me. Okay? All right. Any questions? Email them to me or send them on Remind. Okay? Good job, guys. Talk to you soon.